Hey, third graders, I want you to turn in your math books to page 297. We are working on more multiplication with carrying today. So we're doing the problems exactly the same. There's just a little extra carrying in the problems, and I'll show you what I mean. We are going to do the first problem in the purple box there. It's 56 times 34. There is a mistake in this purple box. If you look at the answer, it says 2004 on my answer key. I'm assuming it probably says that in your math book as well. And they actually made a mistake in their carrying. So we are going to correct that, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So I don't really want you to look at their sample in the purple box because they made a mistake in it. And we are going to do this one together, okay? So 4 times 6 is what, class? 24. We write our 4. We carefully carry our 2 above the 5 in the tens place. Now we're going to multiply 4 times the tens place. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 is 22. So our top row is 224. That's our first partial product. Now, this is very important. The book tells you you can cross out your carry, and then that way you can just write the carry above it. It's fine if you want to do that. However, I prefer just to erase it. You're working in pencil anyway, and so you don't really need the carry anymore. It's just extra marks up there. So I would erase it if I were you. And then we're going to start with the next partial product. So we move down, we put our 0 in the ones place to hold it, and we multiply 3 times the ones place, right? 3 times 6 is 18. And this time we're carrying a 1. You can see how that would be confusing if we left the carry from the previous part up there. Okay, so 3 times 5 is 15. Carry our 1, and you have 16. Now we're going to add our partial products together to get our final answer. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 8 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 6 is what? 9. And then we bring down our 1. So our answer is 1,904. That's supposed to be a comma right there, not a period. Okay, 1,904. You'll notice the book says 2004. That's because they actually added the carry from the 2. They added that instead of the 1 carry. So that's why it's a good idea just to erase it. Now you are going to do section 1A with me. Okay, so get your pencils ready. Here we go. 74 times 35. So 5 times 4 is what? Go ahead and write it down. 20. Carry your 2. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus the 2 is what, class? 37. I'm trying to give you time to write these answers down before I do, because this is good practice for you, okay? Now we're going to erase that carry. This is so important. I cannot stress it enough. Erase it. And we go to the next part. We're going to put a 0 to hold our ones place, and we multiply. 3 times 4 is 12, and we carry our 1. Now 3 times 7 is 21, plus our carry, 22. Okay, now we're going to add. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 2, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. Bring down our 2. And there's your comma. 2,590 is your answer for 1A. You're going to finish this row. If you are confused or having trouble, then feel free to contact me. But if you do make a mistake, or if you think you got it incorrectly, look and make sure that you have erased your carry before you move down to the second row to get your second partial product, okay? All right. Thank you. Bye, guys.